Hello, wisdom seekers, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the many ways that you can use rose quartz in your Reiki practice. For those who are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Shannon, and the purpose of this channel is to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to incorporate crystal wisdom into your everyday life. I'm also a certified Reiki master and teacher, and today we're going to be combining both to talk about how you can use crystal wisdom in your Reiki practice. You don't have to have any advanced training in Reiki beyond the Reiki Level 1 attunement. I do offer a crystal Reiki course that helps you discover how you can start incorporating your gemstone collection into your personal or professional Reiki practice. But in these videos, I'm going to talk specifically about how you can use one particular gemstone in your Reiki practice. If you're interested in learning Reiki, if you don't already know Reiki, or if you want to take my Crystal Reiki course, the links to my online Reiki courses are in the description box below. So the first step in learning how to use rose quartz in your Reiki practice is to know a little bit about rose quartz. It's a pink gemstone that resonates with the heart chakra. And the domain, of course, of the heart chakra is to support all aspects of love in your life. Giving and receiving love, expressing love, expanding compassion in your life, healing from heart wounds. All of these areas are supported through the heart chakra, through the color pink, and with rose quartz. And there are three primary ways in which you can determine if rose quartz will be useful for a particular client, for a particular session, or for your own personal self-healing practices. The first way is intuitively. In the Reiki 2 and the Reiki Master courses, we really dive deep into learning how to use your intuition to guide your Reiki practice. Now, you don't need any special training for this. You just need to be able to tap into your intuition. And if your intuition is guiding you towards the heart location, towards this part of your body or your client's body, then you might want to pick up your piece of rose quartz. And if the client is sitting down, you would hold the rose quartz in your sending hand and hover it over their heart center, allowing you or your client to receive the Reiki and the energy of the rose quartz. If your client is laying down, or if you're laying down doing your own self-healing treatments, then place it lightly on the heart center and continue your practice as the client will take in the energies and the benefits of the rose quartz. The second way in which you can determine if rose quartz is a good stone is if you know that you are dealing with some emotional area regarding love, or if you know that your client is recovering from a breakup, is having difficulty trusting people, if they want to receive more love in their life, they're looking for love, and they feel like they may be sabotaging themselves, or that love just isn't appearing for them, they may subtly be blocking it. If they're having difficulty expressing love to their friends, family, significant others, or if you feel that you need to be able to expand your ability to have compassion for other people. All of these areas are supported by rose quartz. Rose quartz will help you heal, will support these energies, and to help explore and open up to these areas in your life. And the third way to determine if rose quartz is a good gemstone to use during a particular session is through the physical realm. Now, when I address physical ailments or conditions, I do have to say that you should always consult your doctor, your professional for treatments first, because Reiki is meant to be a supplement to treatment, not a replacement. But if you or your client is pregnant, Rose Quartz, it exudes this energy of a mother's love for its child, and it is extremely supportive during your entire pregnancy and during childbirth. It also is helpful for infertility. If you want to explore the reasons why you might not be getting pregnant, then Rose Quartz is a wonderful stone to sit with and try to uncover what might be blocking conception. And then, of course, since Rose Quartz is associated with the heart area, then it is very supportive when you're going through treatments for any kind of heart issues. So as you can see, there are many ways that you can use Rose Quartz in your personal or professional Reiki practice. I'll be continuing this series of crystal Reiki videos. If there's a particular gemstone that you would like to learn how to incorporate into your Reiki practice, then make sure to comment below, and then I'll boost that up the list of videos that I'll be planning. Thank you so much for joining me today to explore how you can use Rose Quartz in your Reiki practice. I'm really excited to start sharing these videos with you, and I will see you again during the next video.